Hello students, today we see the standard third subject computer. Okay, today we see the hardware and software. So computer components has two types. First is the hardware and second is the software. So first we see the hardware. Hardware is that the part of a computer that you can see, you can touch and you can feel with your hands. Okay, the physical part of computer are called hardware, and these parts we can touch, you can feel and you can see with your eyes. Okay, for examples are monitor, CPU, keyboard, CD, mouse. These devices we can touch, we can feel. Okay, so these are the hardware and they all are the electronic and mechanical part of a computer system. Okay, hardware are the electronic and mechanical part of computer system. A hardware are classified in a two part: input devices, processing device and output device. Okay, for example, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer and speaker. These all are the hardware and they all are a electronic and mechanical part of the computer system. Okay, now we see the software. Software is a program or set of instructions that help the hardware of a computer to function. You cannot see, you cannot touch this software. Okay, so but in the hardware you can touch, you can feel, but in the software you cannot touch and you cannot feel these softwares. Okay, so for examples are paint and notepad are software. When you open your any program, for example you open your notepad, that time you open it but you cannot touch this software. Okay, you cannot, you doing some works in the notepad, you draw the pictures in paint but you cannot touch this software. Okay, so software tells the computer to particular task, and the software is classified in the two types. First is the system software and second is the application software. System software controls and coordinates the overall activities of a computer. It is the backbone of the computer. Okay, you can consider it as a principal of your school. Who controls and manage different activities the school? Your principal. Okay, so that's like the system software control and coordinate the computer. Operating system is a part of a system software. Windows is an example of the operating system, and every computer must have an operating system to run the programs. Okay, so this is the system software and the example are Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. Okay, then next we see the application software. The application software is a set of instructions designed for a specific task, and it makes the computer very useful to us. Examples are we can draw and color using paint program. Some other examples are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and Windows Media Player. Okay, in this Windows Media Player we can watch the movies, and in the MS PowerPoint we can create our presentation. So this application software are designed for a specific task. Okay, so this is the application software. And now we see the difference between hardware and software. In the hardware is a physical part of the computer, but in the software, first point is software are the instruction that make a computer do something useful. In the second point of the hardware is hardware classified in the three part: input, processing and output. But in the software has classified in the two types, that is system software and application software. The hardware third point are developed using electronic and other materials, but software are developed by writing instruction using programming language. Okay. The fourth point of hardware is when the hardware is damaged, it can be replaced with new component. But when the software are damaged, it can be reinstalled using the backup copy. The examples of hardware are keyboard, mouse, monitor and hard disk. The examples of software are Paint, MS Word and Notepad. These are the difference between hardware and software. Okay. So, I hope you understand this and enjoy this. Okay. Thank you.